I'm trying to get situated. Yes, I realize that it's not December yet. It is currently November, but yes, I'm still wearing a gingerbread sweater because I'm that person. Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, I am casting the judgment-free zone right now. Just like Coffee Break with Danny, I'm casting the judgment-free zone because, can you already guess? If you can guess what we're doing today for this video, just leave it in the comments. Just like pause for a second. I'll give you like 10 seconds. Just leave it in the comments. It should be obvious. Okay, so for those of you that said a Sephora haul, you're right. So for the holiday season, Sephora did send me a 20% off VIB coupon that I could use, like a promo code that I can use in store or online. I don't know what this is, but I did use that and I got some pretty items. A lot of which I'm actually wearing right now, so I'm really excited to get into it with you guys. I'm going to show you everything that I got, and I'm going to show you where on my face that a lot of them are at currently. So if you would like to see the haul that we're going to be doing today, then keep on watching. Alrighty, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just like pick from the box here. I did get all the stuff online. So the first thing that I did pick up is going to be this right here. This is from the company called Belief. It is the Aqua Bomb Sleeping Mask. Here is what it looks like, and then when you open it up, full disclosure, this is gonna be a long video, so you might want to grab something to eat or drink, get some like hot chocolate or something. Oh my god, that'd be so much fun. And here is what it looks like in the actual tube. It feels really, really cool. I said tube, it's not a tube, it's more like a pot. And then when you look, can you see it? It's like a jelly, like it feels so cool, and it's an overnight sleeping mask. I've been wanting to try this since I saw it at the store about a month ago. So I picked it up, super excited to try it out. The next thing I picked up here is the Farsali Skin Tune Blur Primer. I've been hearing a lot of really good things about this primer here, so I got this actually for my mom because she is really trying to find a really good skin blurring primer to help with pores and everything. She currently uses the Tarte one, and I like that one as well, but it's a little too drying for me. So I did try this one today, so I do have this as my primer currently right now, and I do like it. It's not drying me out or anything right now, so we'll kind of see how it's going. I've had my makeup on for about an hour so far, so not too long, but I am very excited to continue to try this out. So like, my skin right now is real bad, like not like acne or anything like that, but like my skin is so dry. Let me just zoom in so you can see this right here. You see those cracks and all this fallout that I have under my eyes that I didn't get off? But my skin is so dry because of the weather right now. So it gives me like really bad eczema, like around my mouth and my eyes and everything, and like even like here on my hairline. It looks real bad. So I'm trying to see, I can't use anything that's drying obviously because it's gonna make my skin even drier. So this did not do that yet. So I am very excited to keep giving it a shot, or to keep trying it out. But yeah, I picked that up. Next thing I've got here is from Glam Glow. I have used their Galact Cleanse cleanser before, like their Galactic Cleanser, and I liked it a lot. So I picked up the full size of their Tropical Cleanse. Here is what it looks like. Real pretty packaging, and then here is it. I really like Glam Glow. I'm kind of obsessed with them at this point. I love these little things on the side here. But yeah, I'm really excited to try this out. This is an exfoliating cleanser, so I guess there's like little beads, like exfoliating beads inside of it. So hopefully it doesn't irritate my skin. It shouldn't irritate me, but we'll find out if it does. Next thing I have here is I actually got a lot of things from Fenty Beauty this time around, and it will be my first time trying them out. So the first thing I picked up was the Diamond Balm right here, and it's in the shade How Many Carats? Like, how many carats? I actually picked this up because Tarte said it was wonderful, so anything Tarte recommends, I buy. But this is what it looks like. I am wearing this today. Look at that. Look at that. I look like a Christmas tree. It's so freaking pretty. I'm obsessed with it. So basically it's like a highlighter, but without the powder. It's like, it kind of feels like a Stila putty highlighter, but it is so pretty. And you can also use it as like a liquid highlight, so it's not going to bring out any kind of texture, but it looks stunning. I love this so far. And this is the first thing that I've ever used from Fenty, from Rihanna, so I'm very excited. Next thing from Fenty, I'll go ahead and do all of those at one time. I got the Stunna Lip Paint right here. Really pretty packaging. Again, these are some of the first things that I've ever used by Rihanna, and this is in the Uncuffed shade. And this is the one that I like the most. Obviously, I love that black shade, but I have a black lipstick right now that I do like, so I didn't need another one. But this one's so pretty. I'm wearing it right now. I'm obsessed with it. I like it a lot. It's really nice. It is very drying, so if you are somebody that doesn't like a very drying lipstick, I'll probably stay away from this. But I like it. I don't mind it. It kind of reminds me of the Kylie Jenner lipsticks. But this is what it looks like. It looks like nail polish. It's so pretty. And then the actual like doe foot, the actual applicator, is so strange. Look at that. How cool is that? But yeah, I'm super excited about it. I love this lipstick. I love the feel of it. I like the color of it. It's great. And the last thing I got from Fenty Beauty is another highlighter. And this is one of her like duo ones. And I got the two Lightning Dust and Fire Crystal. And I saw somebody use this and I thought it was really pretty, and that's why I bought it, but I forgot who it was that talked about it. Really pretty colors, and I'll go ahead and do a quick swatch. One of them is a little more intense and the other one is a bit more subdued. So this is the one that's more intense, and that one is the Fire Crystal one, and then the other one is a bit more subdued, but they are still really pretty. So I will definitely try this out at some point, but I'm really digging this right here. So I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do about this yet, but I really like it. Next in the box, I got something from Too Faced, and the reason that I got this, I got the Too Faced Born This Way foundation right here, and I got it in the shade Nude because I currently wear the Tarte Amazonian Clay foundation, and I use the shade Light Neutral in that, and I took the quiz online to match the foundation shade, and it said that, like, it had me pick the one that I currently use and the color that I currently use, and it picked this for me. It's like an exact match, and I really like it. The reason that I actually picked this up is because of Jaclyn Hill. She said that this is her favorite foundation currently right now, so this is actually why I got it, because I'm looking for a new foundation just to try out. Medium to full coverage. It is really nice. I like it a lot. I haven't had any issues with it creasing yet, obviously around my mouth area because it is so cracky right now. It is the way it is. It's very dry. I'm trying to fix it, but if it doesn't get into those or like make those protrude or make them even worse, then that's great. But I know that it's not going to be perfect. It is not going to make that go away or anything, but currently I like it. I really like the way my skin looks. I think it's really pretty. This is kind of like a mini review, first impressions within a haul. Sorry. The next thing I have here is also from Glam Glow, and I did pick up the Glam Glow Star Potion Liquid Charcoal Clarifying Oil. So right here, I've heard so many good things about this guy. Apparently it's just like a liquid charcoal that you put on your face, and it really helps with blemishes, blackheads, stuff like that. Helps extract them from your pores. But like, look, it comes out black, but it goes on clear, so it's not gonna make your skin black or anything. It's really cool. I'm excited to use it. Next, I got a few things from Tatcha, and I have loved the Silk Canvas Primer. Remember when I got the trial size, like the smaller size in the little gift set? I've been using it non-stop. I'm not out of it yet, but I wanted to go ahead and stock up on another one because my Sephora, like the actual store, never has these in stock. So I wanted to get another one here, and I did get the full size. Look at how pretty this packaging is though. So here is the front of it, and then when you open it up, it's got this really pretty blue like pull tab, and it's right in here. It actually came in a separate pouch that I had to open, so it's really fancy. And then here is what the full size looks like. Super pretty, very luxe. I really like it. And there is what it looks like right there. Next thing from Tarte that I got is another thing of my Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. I love this stuff. I use this literally every day that I do my makeup. It makes my skin look so dewy and so like refreshed. Again, same really pretty packaging, like blue and purple there. And then here is what it looks like. You guys have seen this before, but it's so pretty, and I love the packaging. The packaging is just so nice and luxe. They are expensive skincare brands, but they do really work. Next, I picked up this is like another one. I ran out of this almost, so I got a Smashbox Always On Metallic Liquid Lipstick in the shade Man Eater. It's this really gorgeous metallic red shade that I wear so much during Christmas time. And guess what time? It's coming around the corner. Christmas time! So I went ahead and got another one of these. Super excited about that. Next, I picked up something from Huda Beauty, and I went ahead and got one of her concealers, the Overachiever Concealer. Here is what the packaging looks like. Really simple, stark black packaging with the Huda Beauty logo, and I think I got a shade too light, so I may have to go back and just get a different shade because I don't know why I got this shade. I'm silly. Next thing, I picked up my very first thing from Sunday Riley, you guys, and I'm so excited about this. I have been wanting to try this for so long. I heard about this brand from an Instagrammer. Her name is Twee. I'll have her right here. She's so nice. She's so sweet, and I heard about this brand from her. She did like a collaboration with a brand called Cosmetics, and they had not this exact thing, I don't think, but it was something else from Sunday Riley. So when I heard her, I watched her video of her revealing the collaboration, and I was like, yo, Sunday Riley looks awesome. So I looked it up, and this is the one I got. And this is the Juno Antioxidant Superfood Face Oil, 9 cold pressed vitamin rich superfood seed oils. It's intense, you guys. So good. You can see it's got blackberry, blueberry, cranberry, red raspberry, chardonnay grape, wild carrot, black cumin, broccoli, and meadow foam. I don't know what meadow foam is, but it sounds amazing, and I'm so excited. You just put this in with your makeup or after like you wash your face, and it just makes your skin amazing. And Lord knows I need some of that right now because my skin doesn't know what to do with itself. And it opens up like that. It's so pretty. And then here is the bottle. A little would go a very long way when it comes to this stuff, I'm sure, but it looks gorgeous. I'm super excited to use this. I can't wait. I will use this with my skincare. I'm very excited. And you guys, the last two things that I picked up here are eyeshadow palettes. They're both so pretty. So the first one that I picked up here is the Pat McGrath Mothership Sublime Bronze Temptation eyeshadow palette, and just look at this packaging, you guys. I've always thought that Pat McGrath's eyeshadow palettes have some of the prettiest packaging that I've ever seen. Just look at that. And then when you open it up here, it's like an experience. Like, this is the one that I got. I think it's so pretty. This is the one that actually looked the prettiest to me in general. So this is the one that I got, and I freaking love it. I can't wait to use it. I did not use this one today. I used the other one that I'm going to show you today, and I can't wait to use this. It's so pretty. So I got that one, and then the last thing that I picked up from Sephora, you guys, just to reiterate, all of this was 20% off. I did not buy any of this full price. I would not buy a lot of this full price. Like this right here, I would not buy full price. No, I just wouldn't. But since I did get 20% off, I had to. So you guys, this is the Natasha Denona Lila palette. It's my very first Natasha palette. I'm so excited. I know this one is not the new one. It's not the gold palette, but these colors I like a lot more personally, and I am wearing this on my eyes today. I love it. It's so pretty. I'm obsessed with it. I'm so happy with the way it turned out. These really do blend so nicely. Here is the actual palette right here. Such a pretty purple shade. And then when you open it up, oh, look at how pretty they are. Oh my god. Oh, I love every single one of them. I love them so much. They're so freaking pretty, and they actually do work so nicely. Like all the hype that's around these palettes, it's legit. Like they really work so well, and I love them. My eyes feel very glamorous today. I don't know, I like it a lot. But you guys, that is going to be my Sephora haul. I really hope that you did enjoy it. I don't know how long this video is, if it's forever, I don't know. But I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up that like button for me and subscribe if you want to. If you want to see the videos that I post, and when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.